Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how we can export from Lightroom. So you might want to actually go and print. So if you were actually wanting to print your images, you would go to print, but we won't look at that now. We're looking at exporting if you wanted to have the prints in some sort of digital form. So we go up to File in the menu, and Export is just about down here. And the first question is my export location. So it might be desktop, or I might want to put it in my documents. I might want to create a subfolder, sort of my final prints. That looks good. And I might want to rename. I mean, I could save it as the original name, but I think it's sometimes good to know that it's an actually edited print. And we can call it edited print. And then we can either just give it a particular name, or if we know there's going to be more than one, we might want to have a sequence, and then they're going to start at number 1, number 2, etc. We then go to our file settings, and we can choose between a basic JPEG, or we might want to use a TIFF or a PNG file, which is slightly more adaptable. But if it's just going to go on a website or something, a JPEG is fine. If you wanted to actually edit in Photoshop, it might be better, yes, to choose something like a TIFF or a PNG. So we then select the quality. Again, if it's depends on what you want to show, how you want to show the picture. It might be important that it's good quality, in which case it should be up to 100. We might want to make it in terms of a particular file size, in which case we can click on that, but we'll leave this for this. And color space. Basically, the color space is how we define how the sort of range of colours in relation to how the image is going to display on various applications or various sort of contexts. So Lightroom itself uses the colour space, which is the Pro Photo RGB, which is the best quality, will have the biggest range of colours. The problem is if we export it as that, we may not be showing it on a device or an application which has that range of colours. So usually if you're going to go into Photoshop, you could select the Adobe RGB. If it was just generally for the web, the S RGB is fine. We then need to think about size. So it may be that we want to kind of resize it to a particular size or something, and yeah, we can obviously change the size, and we might want to alter the resolution, but I'm going to leave that as is there. You can also make choices like removing person info if you want to, or location info. That's entirely up to you. You can also do a watermark, should you so want to. And you can edit your watermarks and find a watermark. That's what it's giving me. I don't want to actually have a watermark in this case. That's fine. And then I can actually export. And then when I go to my folder, let's just go to Documents, my final prints, and there it is, the image that I've just edited. And obviously you can then compare it with your original image, and it can be used for any purposes.